All right. So if you have been looking for a way to earn high ticket commissions online, okay? So you want something easy that pays you $900 over and over and over again online, you must be part of the Legacy Builders program. Look, this is an easy step-by-step blueprint, all right? Now, with the Legacy Builders program, you will be able to earn up to $900 in instant commission, all profit, okay? And it's a way, just like it says here, for you to start earning recurring income. And I'm going to show you how that is possible for you to earn instant commissions of $900 and also earn recurring income. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you get all the scoop. All right. Now let's go to the Legacy Builders private community. So this is our private community here. It's called the Digital Growth Community. All right. And you can see the number of members that are using this program to earn $900 over and over and over again. Look at the number here, 48,000 members. Can you see that? 48,000 members. Let's go straight to the community. Right now we are in the community here, and I want to go straight to the wins, okay? Because I just want to show you how people are doing very well with this community. Look at just 38 minutes ago, Pamela just made $100 while cooking breakfast. How do you like that? That's what I love. Look at Willem. Willem also made $100 in commission, and he has made over $2,700 in 8 days. Let's check another person. Look at Veronica. Veronica just 40 minutes ago made $2,700 before 9 a.m. That's what I'm telling you. Let's check more people before we go on with the training. Let's check another person. Look at Sun Becker. Sun Becker made $3,266. It's powerful. And look at Melissa. Melissa is celebrating. She said, I got my first sale, $900. Let me tell you something. The Legacy Builders program is the best way to earn high ticket $900 instant commission over and over again. Now, the question you'll be asking me is this: what is the Legacy Builders program? Now, the Legacy Builders program is an interactive online training program where you learn how to start and build an online business. So it's for everybody that wants to start and build an online business, where you also learn how to get customers to your online business, guys. Like I told you, the Legacy Builders program is an high ticket program. You see, so many people out there are promoting programs where they earn $10, $20. Look, if you are promoting a product that pays you just $10 and you want to make $3,000 in a month, that means you will need close to 300 sales, guys. 300 sales. But imagine promoting a product like the Legacy Builders program, all right, where you, with only one sale, you could make $900 commissions, guys. So you don't need a lot of sales to get to $3,000 in a month, guys. It's powerful, right? Very, very powerful. And with the Legacy Builders program, you are paid instantly straight into your bank account, which is powerful because now you don't have to wait for payment. The moment you make a sale, right now, you are paid right now to your bank account. It's powerful. And one of the things that attracts a lot of people to the Legacy Builders program is that there is no monthly fees. No monthly fees at all, all right? Which is amazing. And then you will also be you will also become an automatic member of the digital growth community, which I just showed you, our community, where you get interactive training, mentorship, and free promotional materials, guys. So now, are you starting to understand why the Legacy Builders program is powerful? Now, you'll be asking me, Victor, how do I promote the Legacy Builders program? Very, very simple. Now, for me to promote the Legacy Builders program, I am using a marketing system. In fact, a free marketing system called the Super Affiliate Funnel, guys. You can see that. So this is the funnel that I am using to promote the the Legacy Builders program. And this system is 100% free of charge for you to use. It's free, right? Now, how does this system help me to make a lot of money with the Legacy Builders program? And I'll show you some of those monies we are talking about right now. Look at these commissions that I am earning with the Legacy Builders program. Can you see that? $600 in commission paid to my Stripe account. Let's check another one. Look at this other commission here. $900 in commission paid to my Stripe account from the Legacy Builders program. Let's check another one. This is another $900 commission that I have earned, paid straight to my Stripe account from the Legacy Builders program. Let's check a little bit more. This is another commission of $1,150 paid to my PayPal account. Let's check again. This is another commission of $621 paid to my PayPal account. Look at another payment that I received, $100 paid to my PayPal account. And then look at this, $300 paid to my PayPal account. Let's check some more. This is another $900 paid to my Stripe account from the Legacy Builders program. And then you see a $2,000 commission paid to my Wise account, another $1,000 commission paid to my Wise account, another $1,500 paid to my Wise account, and then you see another $900 commission from the Legacy Builders program, another $900 commission, and then another $900 commission from the Legacy Builders program. So you can see that the Legacy Builders program actually make you high ticket commissions, guys. And how I promote it is very simple. Just like I tell you, I use this free marketing system called the Super Affiliate Funnel. Okay, now this is a free system where you just share your link. It's as simple as that. Now, how does this marketing system help me to make $900 commissions over and over again? Okay, one, the system build your email list. Okay, and look, for you to make money online, you have to build an email list, and with this system you will be able to build a large email list automatically. All right, let me even show you immediately how this system is building my email list. So let's come to my Gmail account, and then we are going to do a little search right now. Now, when I share my link, whether on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, anywhere you can share your link. Once I share my link, a lot of people start joining me in the Super Affiliate Funnel marketing system. And you can see the large number of people that are joining me regularly. Now, once these people join me, they are automatically added to my email list. So you can see how I'm building a list of customers, right? Now, let me give you a joker here, right? Now, because I have an email list, I am able to promote other products to my email list. Let me show you some of those products. Now, look at this product here. is called the HBA. And if you look here, you will see this is my name and my picture because this is my account, right? And look at how much I have made with this product, okay? $32,549. How do you like that? Look at that again. $32,549. I was able to make this kind of money because I am promoting this product to my email list. And just look at this. Look at how the sales are coming in regularly. But now let's go to the commission here. And then you see how the commissions are just coming in, okay? Now look at that, $20, $20, $20, $20, $100, $20, $20, $100, $20. Can you see? This is why you need to build an email list. And this is why you need the super affiliate funnel, okay? To build an email list for you. Let me show you another product that I am promoting to my email list. Now look at this. This is called the OLSP system. And look at how much I have made already. $8,285. Can you imagine that? Look at that again. $8,285. That is how much I have made with this product, just promoting it to my email list. Now you are getting the idea, right? Let's check another product. This product is called Got Backup. Let it just load. Now look at that, Got Backup. And when you look here, you will know this is my account because that's my name there. And look at how much I have made already with it. $2,247, guys. So if you want to earn incomes like this, then you need a marketing system called the super affiliate funnel. Just like I told you, one, it builds your email list, okay? Two, it automatically follows up with your customers. So with this system, you don't have to follow up with your customer at all because the system automatically follows up with your customers and closes sales for you automatically, guys. It's powerful. So that is amazing how this whole system works. It follows up with your customers and then it automatically closes sales for you. All right, so now listen, if you want to get started with the Legacy Builders program and also of course with the free super affiliate funnel, what you just need to do is this. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now once you come below the video, okay, what you want to do, doing very well with this sorry about that, guys. All right, so once you come below this video you are watching right now, go to the description. You see where it says step 1, join the super affiliate funnel. So go ahead, click that first link just like this. Now once you click the first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Now what you want to do is very simple. Just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So let's do that. So just enter your first name here just like this and then enter your best email address just like this, okay? Now you see the yellow button that says click here to join now. Go ahead, click this yellow button. Now once you click the yellow button, that will bring you to this super affiliate funnel website, okay? Now what you want to do when you get here, just watch this video that explains the process to you, then scroll down till you get to this page that says get started now, right? And as you can see, the cost is $0. It's free of charge for you to get started with the marketing system. So what you only need to do, you see where it says start here, go ahead, click that. Once you click that, you now need to fill up all these details and then remember to check this box that says I'm not a robot. All right, then of course you know you have to do all this, and then once you do that, then you need to create your account. You see that? Create my account. Once you create your account will now look exactly like mine. All right. Now, the next thing you need to do is to add your Legacy Builders program. So go scroll down till you get to where it says income stream number 4. Do you see that? Income stream number 4 is the Legacy Builders program. So all you need to join the Legacy Builders program, what you do, you see where it says tutorial, go ahead, click on that. Watch this video, okay? After watching the video, then you see where it says join Legacy Builders program. Go ahead, click on that. Join Legacy Builders program, set up your website, then bring your website link here, add it, save. That is all you need to do for you to start earning those $900 commissions from the Legacy Builders program over and over and over again. Guys, this is it, right? So now if you want to join the Legacy Builders program, just go below this video, click the first link, get started. All right. Now, once you get started, and then you set up your website, that is all, right? And if you have any challenges along the way, you can always send me a message, right? And if you like this video, please go ahead, click the like button, and then also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.